I posted this question on my platform yesterday, and here's the solution. So a lot of people tried, but there is something they are missing out, which is what we call reciprocal. So reciprocal. So what do I mean? To solve this question, we come here and say 5 over 4 to the power of x plus 6, which is equals to. Now look for ways of bringing this one down. I'm going to have 4 over 5 to the power of 2. So you can do it this way. What do I mean? That is, what I have here is that 4 and 5 are both sharing this power, and this is the power we're having initially. So from here, I'm going to have 5 over 4 to the power of x plus 6 equals. So power multiply power, law of indices apply. Power multiply power. I'm going to have 4 over 5 to the power of 2x. But I need to look for ways of making these 5 over 4 and 4 over 5 the same. So the best thing I can do is to what? Is to find the reciprocal of this left hand side. Reciprocal of left hand side, and that becomes 5 over 4 to the power of x plus 6 is equals to, I will have 5 over 4 minus 2x. Let me explain this please clearly. Imagine we have 5 over 4 raised to power minus 1. What does that mean? So it means that this negative sign stands as 1 over 5 over 4. That is the interpretation. So that is the interpretation. So if you understand indices or law, let me say law of indices very well, you understand what I did here. So now this is called ladder fraction, and it means that I'm having 1 over 5 times 4. That is the meaning. So what is 4 times 1 is 4 over what? 5. You can see I'm back to where I'm coming from. So that is the effect of the changes here. So from here we can now say this one take care of this one. So we are left with x plus 6 equals minus 2x. So if I should collect like terms, I'm going to have 6 equals minus 2x. Then when this one comes, it becomes minus x. 6 equals minus 3x. And when you divide both sides by minus 3, that is the coefficient of x, it becomes x is equals to 6 divided by minus 3. And that gives us x is equals to minus 2. So your answer is minus 2.